Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. We got the 69 COPO Camaro, and this is sponsoring Falken. Sponsoring Falken Tires. This is from the HW Speed Graphics, series number 6 of 10, and I love the color on this. Beautiful color. 170 of 250 for 2021. I got this on my Dollar General a few months ago, maybe like 4 months ago. GRY44 is the number. This is from the J case. 69 COPO Camaros from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Real race performers that speed fast on track. Been looking forward for a long time to get this open. And did kind of a crack there, but I ripped it on the side. Oh well. Look at our Camaro right here. A little bit of loose axles, but that's okay, because you need loose axles for it to speed smooth on the track. And this is a beautiful Falken sponsor for the 1969 COPO Camaro. I opened up a 1968 COPO Camaro on the channel previously, but that was actually my dad's. Well, this one is mine, 69, and honestly, I like this one better. This is the Falken Tires symbol with the MC5 rims on it. As you can see, Falken Tires, black interior, and it's like a two-tone green and blue, and I love those colors. Number 88 on the side. Falken K&N, that was on my Corvette that I opened up. I like the wheels on this too. Camaro, beautiful. Look at the front. That is a sharp ride. And you can see those sponsors on the hood there. Look at the inside of it is blue. That is awesome. Just a cool casting. Falken Tires, 69 COPO Camaro. Plastic base, best for track symbol right there. It's a black plastic base, made in Malaysia. 69 COPO Camaro with a 2019 copyright. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.